Welcome back. I'm Tiana.
And I'm Adrienne.
And this is
Tianna and Ace
Taste. So for today's video, we're going to be doing a little bit different of a tasting, and we are showing our taste in home decor by doing a living room refresh.
For under $100.
So stay tuned, and if you like videos like this, make sure to like and subscribe down below and leave us a comment for things that you'd like to see in the future, or if you have any, tips or tricks for future refreshes.
A look at the before. Okay, so now you've seen the befores, but before we go to the afters, we're going to go over what transpired.
So one of the things that I did for the after is we actually already had a shelving unit that matched one that we already had in the room. And we knew that we always kind of wanted to have the symmetry of having one on either side of the couch, but in our situation before, kind of where it was situated, we weren't able to do that. So we were able to put it in now, which was great. As far as things that we actually had to purchase to redo my living room, mainly it was pillow covers. So we bought the small black plain pillow covers for the chairs. Everything that I'm mentioning, I should say, was bought on Amazon, except for the lamp. That was actually purchased at Target. But the small pillow covers, those were $12.99 from Amazon. The large set of 4 pillowcases, those were actually $19.51, but that did come with the 4 covers. The vases that are on the mantle, those were a set of both of those for $25.99. And I put in some faux eucalyptus plants, and those were $11.99. And actually, we used 2 of them, but it actually came with a third, so there's another one there. And then the final thing that I got on Amazon was a small planter. It was a black and white one. That was $5.99. And then the lamp that I mentioned, that was the black one on the side table. That was bought on Target.
Now on to the transformation. Now, the after. I think the biggest impact was rearranging the furniture, and there's no cost there, a little labor. Another thing I'd like to mention is for you to think about what else you have in your home. You know, something from another room could be brought in, or maybe you want to just take something out, put it away for a season, for a change. Let's review. Well, I hope you liked the after videos and pictures.
And if you did, please comment down below what your favorite part was, just so that we're aware of, you know, what you guys like. And let us know in the comments if there's anything else that you'd like to see in the future. And please like and subscribe so you don't miss anything from us again.
Make sure you hit the bell, and that way you get notified each time we upload a new video.
And we'll catch you in the next one.
You were so excited to be like the home decorator.